Welcome to Promat Australia. We pride ourselves on being the leading experts in passive fire protection, supplying the widest range of passive systems in Australia. Our extensive technical knowledge and international experience allows our national sales and distribution network to provide passive fire solutions to best meet your building requirements. Our manufacturing and research facilities based in our Australian headquarters, along with our globally recognised research and development program, contribute to positioning us as the leading industry expert. The PROMASEAL Retrofit collar is a multi-purpose collar designed for use with concrete slabs, masonry, and lightweight walls and line ceilings. This split-type collar has a simple clip and hinge system that allows it to be retrofitted where necessary and are available in a range of sizes to suit plastic pipes of an outside diameter up to 315mm. The collar has been tested up to 180 minutes fire rating level in accordance with AS 1530 Part 4 and AS 4072 Part 1 with various types and sizes of plastic pipe. To install the PROMASEAL Retrofit collar onto a lightweight or masonry wall, measure the outside diameter of the plastic pipe. Use the Promat collar selector app to ensure your application is approved. Seal around the pipe and slab with PROMASEAL A acrylic sealant. This is recommended for areas where pipe movement may occur and to prevent cold smoke ingress. Unclip collar and place around pipe. Reclip collar and push tight to the substrate. To fix the PROMASEAL Retrofit collar, use steel screws and fasten to the wall through the holes in the base plate. To complete the installation, repeat the process on the other side of the wall. The PROMASEAL Retrofit collar is ideal for protecting a variety of plastic pipe types along with cables, cable bunches, and lagged copper pipes. It can be installed on a variety of wall types, including but not limited to fire-rated plasterboard, concrete, masonry, AAC, and speed panel. Its unique blue powder-coated shell makes it easily identifiable and resistant to all environmental conditions. PROMASEAL Retrofit collars are manufactured under a quality management system certified in accordance with ISO 9001-2015. Our technical support and sales team across the nation can assist with creating a passive fire solution to meet your individual building requirements. We specialise in tailoring our penetration systems to ensure that you save time and money, offering a one-stop shop system solution to complex passive fire protection issues. Contact our Promat Australia team for a no-obligation discussion or technical advice for your next project.